Cap 26 here just appears in hobbies. And we got some chain here we did find. And I'm gonna pour it out. Let's see what we got here to use. We got this like bathroom chain. And that's not magnetic at all. Let's try this one. This one's not magnetic at all either. I have low hopes that we'll get any connection between the chain and the device itself. I'm gonna put it over here and try to get the other end. I don't know if we can find the other end here. There's the other end. I'm gonna lay it down like that. And turn this on. 1, 2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And get this probe out of the way. So I'm putting it on there. This is a test I wanted to do and just see if it'll go through and penetrate. I know you can't see this, my big hands are in the way. And maybe if I flatten that out. Let's see. Let me see, I'll flatten this out. Like that, make a tang. And let's try to make a tang on this one. And let's see. Put it like that. Like that. This is kind of tough to do, guys, without a vise of some kind. And try to tape it down. Tape this piece down. Get this part right there. We got that out of the way and taped it down. It's got to be on the same, and it's got to be on the same part of got to be on the same part of the overlapping. Okay, so that. And I felt some warm things come up here, and I don't think it did anything because this is a non-ferrous metal, so it's a brass, and as reported before by a friend of mine that has one of these, John, it doesn't do brass. Okay. And I don't know what this is made of, but this is actually a good chain. I should save it. We're gonna put it side by side. We might need that tape. Do each See, it's beeping. Oh. We're getting a spark. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. We got something. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, did it. It did weld the two pieces together on this cheap chain from Amazon. Although I could pull it apart. So there's a possibility. Ooh, that's hot. There's a possibility that it'll do chain, possibly. You know, if you get it at the right angle, and if it's a more magnetic chain, I would say if it was more magnetic, metal-wise, it will it'll weld the two pieces together. So that's what I want to show you today with this tack welder. Still can do other repairs. You know, you could take two razor blades and tack them together if you wanted to and test it. And there's all kinds of metals you can use. I have a piece of metal over there. Kind of thicker though. I don't know how it would do on thick metal. I don't have two thick pieces. I don't have two separate pieces. I'd have to cut them. But that may be another video. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.